Welcome to Chris T's Kitchen. Today we are making chicken and ham tangle pie. You will need 3 tablespoons of sunflower oil, 1 medium onion, 2 garlic cloves, 1 medium leek, 100 grams of frozen peas, 100 milliliters of white wine, 150 milliliters of water, 1 chicken stock cube, 320 grams of chicken breasts, 100 grams of pancetta, 2 tablespoons of plain flour, 300 grams of crème fraîche, salt and pepper, and 3 foil food containers. Cooking method. Add the chicken to a lined baking tray. Season with salt and pepper. Drizzle on some sunflower oil. Add to a preheated oven at 190 degrees Celsius conventional oven or 170 degrees Celsius fan oven for 35 minutes. Top, tail, cut in half and peel a medium onion. Finely chop 1 medium onion. Peel and crush 2 garlic cloves. Top, tail, cut in half and remove the outer leaves of a medium leek. Thinly slice the leek. Pan fry 100 grams of pancetta until golden. Decant onto a plate with kitchen roll to soak up any fat. In the same pan, add the onions and garlic and fry on a low heat for 5 minutes. Add the leeks and 100 grams of frozen peas and cook for another 2 minutes. Add 100 milliliters white wine, 100 milliliters water and squish a chicken stock cube into the pan. Simmering on a high heat, reduce the liquid by half then remove from the heat. Slice the cooked chicken into chunks. And transfer to a large mixing bowl. Add the cooked pancetta. Sprinkle on 2 tablespoons of plain flour. Mix together. Add the leek mixture. Add the remaining 50 milliliters of water and 300 grams of crème fraîche. Season with salt and lots of pepper. Decant into 3 foil food containers. Cling film the two you are not going to cook and refrigerate. Add a splash of sunflower oil to a ramekin. With 2 or 3 sheets of the phyllo pastry, lightly brush one side of each one with the oil. Tear the phyllo pastry into 3 and scrunch up and place on top of the filling until the surface is completely covered. Transfer to a lined baking tray. Bake in a preheated oven at 200 degrees Celsius conventional oven or 180 degrees Celsius fan oven for 30 minutes. Serve with some green vegetables. There is no need for potatoes or rice because of the pastry.